Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. We're now doing a driving test route in Greenford. That's in West London. So some of the test routes do intersect. So if you go a test nearby Greenford, such as South or such as Yeading, such as Hendon, Pinner, those kind of areas, Wembley side, definitely watch this video. Or even if you got a test coming up and you just want to see what test is like, how examiners mark, how examiners give directions, what examiners look out for, then definitely watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And on our site, fmdriverschool.co.uk, you'll find loads more tips in how to pass your driving test and your theory test.
It's a bit hilly, isn't it? The second exit right. Go out to gear 2, please. So, see the roundabout? There'll be 2 exits. We're going to go towards the right of it, at the roundabout.
Second exit.
Yes, please. So, check our right mirror. It's on that right side. Is it clear on that right?
I don't see anything.
Get closer then and scan. Is it clear? Yeah, it's clear, though.
Yeah.
It's been blocked off. Look right one more time.
So we have priority on
Yes,
this people, yeah?
they're on your left side.
Yeah,
And
not
cancel the
looking.
indicator. Over here now. Okay, scan. Zebra crossing. Scan. Is it clear?
Yeah.
You can go now.
Gyro. Listen to hip hop.
Yeah, of course,
Yep.
man, of course.
So you know it's gyro.
Was that somewhere Jarrell and Ashanti?
Yeah.
Be quite a few. Famous back in the days, isn't it? Let's go up to, after this, go up to gear 3. Go up to gear 3, please. And you can see the speed sign on the floor. So look out for loads and loads of things when you're driving. Hit at 20, don't go above. Plan ahead as well, looking ahead. See the speed sign change?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Oh, we could. Sorry.
hold that speed. Down to gear 2. Because then we're going to slow down because of the hill. We're going to go straight, alright? Keep going straight. See the green arrow? That's for you. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Gas a bit. Keep going off the clutch. Gas. See that green arrow? Filter light for you. Right for them. Red for them. Right.
He's sitting and waiting until someone
Yeah, you have to see.
says, "Hey."
Yeah, you have to see that.
And someone say, move. What are you doing?
Roundabout coming up, we'll take the first exit. Push it, your priority, keep pushing. They'll eventually wait. You see that? They eventually wait. So, where did I say you're going?
First exit.
First exit, please, at the roundabout.
Is it 30, 20?
Did you not see it was 30 sun behind the chain? That's why you should see more signs as we get closer. First exit, please. As we get there, hog your left lane, check our left mirror, be aware who's around you, hog the left, speed up a little bit more, check our left mirror now, indicate left, good. Yeah, good, slower, go down to gear 1, pushing. It's a bit tight but pushing. Look right, by a few cars, slower, is it clear? Go on, make the call and go. And do you see the speed sign?
No.
It's there in front of you, 30.
30.
Yeah, to see it. Okay, speed up, check our mirrors. Good. Again, look at the road. Uphill up ahead. Slow down for the speed bump. Oh, okay,
I was
second's
struggling.
fine. Yeah, second's fine. Oh, we'll speed up one of the two. But watch this car. It's on the cover. Okay, so then it's a slightly unusual road. We're gonna go right and then left. Technically, you could also say straight, but you'll see the arrows on the floor. I'll show you. Watch that accuracy. Just be aware. So, examiner might say to you, follow the signs towards Greenford. Can you see that sign there?
Yeah.
It's a little bit tricky. It is straight, but it's a bit right and then left. Yeah, good. Make sure you don't roll back. That's it. So look at the arrows on the floor. Yeah, so let's see the arrows. Which one goes right and then left? So that one. Both do. So you can pick the left with both do. Excellent. I do indicate right so people know. Go for it a bit more. So from here, plan. Where is the road? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Down there, yeah. So as you go around, you hold the
You get
left.
it, okay.
Because
Stick to your lane.
stick to your lane. You're new to the area, you don't really know the areas, you try to plan in advance. So a lot of students are in your boat where they're going to book a test out of the area because it's hard to get test date.
Huh? Whoa.
Almost full.
I thought because we are here, yeah,
Really?
it's me. The car was completely stopped.
A lot of traffic right now, but should be able to make it.
You don't know if it's hot or cold.
Okay, when you flash down?
One of those days.
Yeah, see. Follow this car, the goal. Get in here. Keep pushing in. The cars on your right might try to push you in as well. That's it, hold your leg. That's it.
Yeah, I see they all do that. Peugeot now. You can see him behind us.
Cancel it at this point, it's following the bend now.
What you trying to do, Royal Man? Oh no. I thought he's trying to...
It will merge in up ahead, so be aware. Watch out for the cars behind. Slowly, check your right mirror, keep it in.
We just let him go.
Oh yeah, he's ahead of you. Keep looking right, please. Don't let everybody go through. So you're going to move slightly to the center. Move out to the center, please. No, that's left. That's center, yeah. About here is fine. till what?
Good.
Oh, yeah.
I think I remember this place.
This place here?
Where we said Amigos last time, yeah? No?
No, it's not this
It's not this one?
Okay, it's not further back.